one thing I know about my first wig is this wig is going to be bomb as hell. So first of all, as we already know, their wigs come with a pre-plucked hairline. The knots already come bleached. The lace already comes melted. Basically, girl, it's a transparent lace. It blends into the skin excellently. So you ain't even got to worry about all that normal stuff we have to worry about with wig installs. My first wig, you ain't got to do all that. So anyways, I'm going to be doing a curved part for today's install. I am loving the fullness on this wig. I think I've mentioned this several times before in the past, but the thickness or the density in their wigs is just like top tier right now. So one thing about it, MyFirstWig has definitely evolved and upgraded their wigs. I've actually been working with them for like 10 years now, maybe longer, and like the quality of their wigs is insane. Look at that hairline. No plucking, no bleaching. Like, girl, the lace is literally melted into my skin. This is fucking crazy. Like, I love their wigs. Like, I really do. Look at how well it like blends into the skin. It the hair presses out really good with the hot comb. It's just perfect. And like the only reason how you can tell I haven't cut the lace is because I got it lifted on the side. Other than that, girl, this lace is damn near invisible. So the hairline has been melted, lace has been cut, so obviously I'm going to go ahead and tie the wig down and start flat ironing this hair. I don't know what the density is on this wig. I'm going to probably put it in the video somewhere, and it'll definitely be in the description bar, but I am always here for this texture because it's just fuller. I don't like silky bobs. Like, I don't like them. I like for my bobs to have like some volume, some fullness, some thickness to it. And this texture is perfect. Also, I don't know if you girls notice like the little brown peekaboo colors that is coming out in this wig. It's cute too. I ain't even really noticed that until like midway after doing my hair. So yeah, girl, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this hair, and look at that. Yes. I'll be back.
All these
Okay, and before I get ready to remove the headband, I'm going to go ahead and just clip the ends on this wig to just, clean it up or whatever. So now it's time, now it's time to take off this headband and get into this hairline. It literally looks like it is growing out of my scalp. This wig looks so natural, and look at how it just moves. Look at how much body it has, how much shine it has. Like, it looks like a super healthy, pressed out wrap. Like, this wig looks so good, y'all. Y'all, this wig looks so good, and just wait till I apply this concealer on this part. It gives it even more of a super natural install. I'm going to also include some video clips or pictures of me wearing this unit to work the next day, and I want you girls to see how this wig looks in the sun. This was a complete wig check, yes. Hold on, let me put the video, let me put the picture in real quick. Hold on. So yeah, here's a picture of what the wig looks like in a natural sun, and here's another picture of the wig and its hairline. Y'all, when I tell y'all this wig looks so good, like, the video does not do this wig any justice. As y'all can see, the pictures was giving, and I'm bouncing, honey, because the wig is bobbing for sure. All the details will be below in the description bar. Y'all already know. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you girls in the next wig install. Bye.